Hi, this is Tammy Stark with Berkshire Hathaway, and I am happy to announce that we have closed on this luxurious brand new construction at 2 Landview Drive in Dix Hills, New York. Not only am I proud to announce that this property was under contract within 30 days, but it was sold over the holiday season. The marketing technique and the sales approach that I use helped get this property sold very quickly at an amazing price. With the Berkshire Hathaway name and team behind me, it all helped to make this sale a success. When our name goes on a real estate sign, it means something. It's a promise of trust, integrity, stability, longevity, and the highest standards of work. Powered by the greatest real estate technology ever created, I go above and beyond the services of the average real estate broker. If you would like to achieve these same results, please contact me so I can show you how my sales approach and our advanced digital marketing will do the same for you.